Hey John, it's Jack and Nick up here on 920 Commissioners. Just wanted to give you a quick video of this roof in particular. So this is section B, or the middle roof. You can see the lower one on the east side over there and the west side over there. So this roof, older BUR, older four-ply built-up roof. And I can see that some repairs have been done on the flashings from that corner to right about where that concrete block sits. And that's because the original flashings, I don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera here, are in pretty rough shape. So there has been some leaks out on that side. That's pretty common with the older BURs. They don't have a modified membrane on the flashings, so they do fail at that area because of the expansion and contraction on the roof. We found a couple blisters on the roof, and it's nice to see that they're not widespread. We found one here and one over there. My initial gut feeling is that this roof is probably a good candidate for restoration. Now, of course, we're going to have to do tests to confirm that, so we'll have to take a thermographic scan of the roof to see if there is any wet insulation and where it lies, and then also a cut of the roof to send to our lab for strength testing and physical testing. But that'll tell us whether or not we can simply do a restoration on this roof, which will become more cost effective than replacing the roof and way, way less disruptive to the interior space. About to head down to the other roof over here, so we'll let you know what we find when we get a report ready for you. But I wanted to send this to you before we met next week. Thanks for taking a look.